Hi all, this is Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar and versus the Japanese yen in here. Both of these spot rates in here maintaining a bearish theme. US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, Japanese yen. US dollar remaining weak versus both the yen and the Canadian dollar, despite rebound efforts. We saw decent rebound efforts versus various G8, G10 currencies towards the end of last week. So this US dollar setup that we've seen from the beginning of the month in here for US dollar CAD in here, signaling a resumption of the whole bear trend that we've had in here right the way from the beginning of the year, and that's reinforced by the fact that the market rebounded. The market rebound that we saw through May was capped off by these important resistances here at 132.18 and 132.96, rejecting a basing structure, rejecting a shift to an intermediate term and more neutral range theme or bullish theme, and re-energizing the bearish theme. And all the risks really back down here to the recent lows, and maybe even down to lower targets here. So we're looking down towards 124, maybe 123, 121 lower targets here as we go through mid-June into the second half of this month. Similar story for US dollar versus the Japanese yen in here. Dollar yen re-energizing the bearish theme at the end of the month in here. The rebound effort of May capped off by resistance here at 111.89, leaving the bear theme that comes right from the beginning of the year and from the end of last year very much intact, aiming back down to the recent low. And again, despite little rebound efforts in here at the end of last week, the market probing lower, having rolled lower initially in late May into early June, and then plunging lower here through the US employment report in here that we saw at the beginning of this month. All the risk to 105.51, the recent low in here, but more notably if we go onto the bigger chart, 105.20, a long-term target all the way back to October 2014, and potentially much deeper, maybe towards 100.75 or 100 level, maybe going into late June into July. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.